In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Crunchyroll subscription. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link crunchyroll.com/premium. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Crunchyroll. In this interface, you'll be able to see the plans. What you have to do is click on this option, compare all plans that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to pick your premium plan. You'll be able to find two options over here, monthly, yearly. Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to find two options, fan, mega fan. You'll also be able to see the features over here. You'll be able to get the features like no ads, complete access to Crunchyroll's library, etc. If you want to do the free trial, what you have to do is click on this option, start 7-day free trial. If you want to skip the free trial, click on this option, skip free trial, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, that particular plan will be selected. Now in order to buy the plan, what you have to do is enter your payment information. Simply enter your credit or debit card details over here. First of all, enter your card number. Likewise, also enter the expiration date and security code over here. Also select the postal code. Now after you enter all these informations, what you have to do is click on this option, finish checkout, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, your checkout will be finished. Now after the transaction is completed, you'll officially buy that particular Crunchyroll premium plan. Now you'll be able to enjoy the features of Crunchyroll premium. So that is how you buy Crunchyroll premium subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.